Hi there, welcome to Pablo. My name is Alex Noyd, I'm the co-founder of Rebeloper.com and creator of Pablo. I wanted to take some time to just walk you through our service and to show you how easy it is to get started, as well as to talk about some features and benefits that we're really proud of inside Pablo. So let's dive in. The first step in getting your very own professional graphic designer is simply to sign up. It's as easy as going to developer.com/Pablo and clicking the big button. After your purchase, you will need to tell us a bit more about your app business. With that information, we will match you with one of our full-time designers. Our goal is to make sure we're connecting you with someone that fits your style, your brand. Now, once you're approved, which takes about a business day, so not very long, then you're immediately allowed to use Pablo and start working with your designer. To communicate any request is simple. We don't want to make it complicated when you need a graphic design done for your app. All you need to do is fill out all the details in your Pablo dashboard, put in all the information, drop in attachments, insert whatever it is you need to communicate your designer request. When you're done, click Send Request. Your designer receives that. We double check everything's okay, and that's it. Your designer will start working on it right away. Now that the work has started, you can check its process in your very own Trello board. When a design is complete, which takes at minimum 1 business day, sometimes longer, especially if you have complex or a high volume amount of requests, you'll receive an email notification. And then you can either reply to that notification or hop back into your Trello board and communicate directly with your designer. If everything looks good, great! Then we are ready and you can download those files. And in case you're wondering, yes, we always include the source files. And then you take a look at your design, and if you need a revision or there's something not right, which in design it does happen, you either hit reply in your email or just reply within the Trello board. And those revisions will go right to your designer and the process starts all over again. Now, please note, you get one designer. And that designer will work on one project at a time. As you already know, design takes time. If you wish to do more than one project at a time, then you need to sign up for more than one account. This way, more than one designer can work on your projects at the same time. We have clients that have 3-5 Pablo accounts. Whatever your app design needs are, rest assured we can handle it. It almost seems too good to be true, right? Like, what's the catch? People always ask me, Alex, you know this unlimited graphic design thing, so how can you really do it? Well, honestly, it's not too good to be true. And I challenge you to just get started. You will firsthand get to see how we work. You'll get to meet your designer. You'll get to see the designs and go through the process. If it's a great fit, great! Welcome to Pablo, and we hope you'll be a client for a very, very long time. If it's not a fit, we simply ask that you just let us know. Occasionally there are weird little things that come up, or maybe we need to match you with a new designer. We'll try our best to fix the problem or issue. If we can't fix it, or you're just like, you know what, this is not a good fit for me, no problem. You'll get 100% of your money back. So, that's gonna be it from me. I could go on and on, but if you really need anything, just ask. You can email me directly at support@rebeloper.zendesk.com. I still reply to all of those emails, and we can just chat to see if Pablo is a good fit for you, and I hope it is. I know it in fact for many of you it will be. So again, thank you. I hope our unlimited app graphic design service falls into your lap soon and you can get started risk-free today. Click the button below and I see you inside.